Do you have bad days? Because you said that you found something that is your companion, your craft becomes your companion. And I don't think it's always happy-go-lucky and it's always hunky-dory, it's always perfect. You know, even with your craft, sometimes days are really bad, right? They're bad, but you love that part as well, right? It has just become a part of your routine that you want, you don't dislike at all.
I'd like to, I'm very conscious of the power of words. So I think words have energy.
Sure.
So bad and good is not something that I relate with very much at the moment.
Okay.
I may have some 25 years ago, but not today.
All right.
So I feel that every so-called not good enough event or
not
day as
worse,
such
yeah.
Is an inspiration for me to do something about it.
Sure.
It's a learning experience.
Yeah.
It's going to teach me something if that's what I'm looking for.
Yes.
Yeah. And another thing to answer you, that if there's anything that I have experienced which is lasting for me, is that we are not looking to be perfect. We are all imperfectly perfect.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But I am looking and focused on what is the win in this situation.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah. So with that, my turnaround time is very quick.
Right.
Yeah. I don't hang out in the spaces that would be called bad or negative or whatever. So the awareness sharpens over a period of time with experience.
Yes.
You see the crux and the cause of what started this thought.
Right.
And
how
because
it can be
ultimately what I am sharing or teaching as a skill with my work is awareness.
Yes. Yes.
So as we sharpen that awareness and take responsibility for it,
of our own actions,
it's always there.
Yep.
I can choose it anytime.
Yes.
That's where the power of choice comes from.
Will. Yes.
You see?
Yes.
So I am in that being conscious of what is the possibility right now. What is the potential in this particular situation, event, exchange, relationship, whatever.
Yes.
Yeah. When I focus my attention there, that energy expands as energy does.
Right.
You see? And my answer comes. In fact, that is the basis of the work.
Yes.
That the difference between other therapeutic methods and what I do is that I am not an authority for someone else's life. I know that very well.
Yes.
Yeah. I know that you are your own authority.
Right.
You are using me to facilitate your ability to help yourself.
Right.
That is what you're really doing.
Right.
Yeah. That is what you come for. And why do we choose someone outside of us? Because two energies coming together don't make just two, they make a higher, more potentially vibrant energy.
How
that
do you
is
mean,
going to
attract
move.
more people, or how do you mean?
No. When I'm working with somebody, you can read a couple of books and try to solve your own issues, right?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah? But when you come to someone like me, your energy plus mine creates a much higher energy, a much stronger vibration, which helps us go beyond that limitation.
Has
that
comfort got something to do with it?
Oh, absolutely.
Right.
Trust has something to do with it. Comfort has something to do with it.
Yeah.
And that sincerity and that authenticity has a lot to do with it. Sure. Because at this moment when we are talking, you're actually feeling this energy between us.
Right.
Yeah. It's a very unbiased, very pure sort of exchange.
Exactly. Yes.